The clock on my screen glowed a defiant 2 o'clock in the morning. Most people would be asleep, but for me this was the hour when the world felt both silent and infinite. The world outside was quiet. The streets were empty, the only movement coming from the occasional flicker of a streetlight or the distant hum of a car passing by. For some of us, these are the hours when curiosity truly awakens. With the distractions of the day gone, the mind is free to wander. The internet becomes a vast library, a place where every click can lead to something unexpected. I was ready to get lost in it. I wasn't searching for anything specific, just exploring random corners of internet. But suddenly, I started finding tools that claimed to interact with Instagram in some unusual ways. Hey friend, before we dive into this late-night adventure, just remember, I'm only sharing this story so you understand what's out there. It's all about awareness, not action. Stay safe. This video is created only for educational awareness. It does not promote hacking, illegal activity, or the use of any tool mentioned. Please do not attempt to download, install, or misuse any of these tools. The first tool that caught my eye was Instasploit, a blend of Instagram and exploit. Its name alone was a red flag. Online, it's described as a suite of tools for password attacks and information gathering. It often claims to help recover your own account, but that's a classic cover for more sinister uses. Features include dictionary attacks and phishing modules that mimic Instagram's login page. These tools prey on trust and inattention, making hacking accessible to anyone. While some use them for security testing, most are after easy access to accounts. For every security measure Instagram adds, tools like Instasploit try to break through. The lesson: always check URLs and be skeptical of login pages. One small detail can protect your account. The digital cat and mouse game is relentless. Next up was Instabrute, a tool for brute force attacks. Brute force means trying every possible password until one works. The software automates thousands of login attempts using password lists, sometimes generic, sometimes tailored. Instagram fights back with rate limiting and suspicious login detection, but attackers use proxies and delays to evade these defenses. If your password is common, Instabrute could crack it in seconds. That's why experts stress long, complex passwords with mixed characters. A strong password makes brute force attacks nearly impossible. The takeaway: never use simple or common passwords. Your best defense is complexity. Not all tools are for breaking in. Some, like Instaloader, focus on mass data collection. Instaloader lets you download public photos, videos, and profile info from Instagram. It's useful for backing up your own posts, but can be misused to scrape entire profiles. In minutes, someone could download all your public content and connections. This data can be analyzed, stored, or reposted without your consent. Data scraping raises serious privacy concerns, even with public info. Tools like Instaloader turn your digital footprint into raw data. The lesson: think critically about what you share publicly. Setting your profile to private is the best defense. Only approved followers can access your info. A simple setting can transform your profile from a public billboard to a private album. Then I found Eagle Eye Instagram, a tool for digital reconnaissance. It links Instagram accounts to other social media profiles using reverse image search and username analysis. Eagle Eye downloads your profile picture and searches for it across the web. If you use the same photo or username elsewhere, it can map your entire online presence. Many of us reuse usernames and photos for convenience, creating a trail of digital breadcrumbs. Eagle Eye shows how one account can expose your whole digital identity. Online privacy isn't just about one account, it's about your entire digital footprint. Consider using different usernames and photos for different platforms. Compartmentalizing your identity makes it harder for tools to connect the dots. Small changes can protect your privacy across the web. Not every tool is overtly malicious. Some, like Instapy, automate Instagram actions. Instapy can like, follow, comment, and message automatically, boosting engagement. Marketers and influencers use it to grow accounts, but it can also create spam bots. Bots flood comment sections with ads or phishing links, degrading user experience. Automation blurs the line between genuine and fake interactions. That great post comment from a stranger? Often a bot. Tools like Instapie force us to question the authenticity of online engagement. Is that new follower real or a script? The tension between real connection and manufactured growth is ever present. Engage authentically. Shortcuts often come at the cost of genuine community. As dawn approached, my journey through Instagram hacking tools ended. This wasn't just curiosity, it was a wake-up call. Instagram isn't just an app, it's a gateway to our private lives. A compromised account can lead to identity theft, scams, or worse. The tools I found, Instasploit, Eagle Eye, and more, show threats are real and evolving. Many are easy to use, lowering the bar for attackers. We can't be passive users anymore. Default security isn't enough. We must take responsibility for our digital safety. Understanding these threats empowers us not to be paranoid, but to be prepared. Knowledge is power. Knowing how attacks work helps you defend against them. Awareness turns you from a potential victim into a resilient digital citizen. So, what now? It's time to turn your awareness into real action. Knowing the risks is only the first step. Now, let's make your Instagram account as secure as possible. First, use a strong, unique password. Make it long, complex, and avoid anything based on personal information like birthdays or pet names. The more unpredictable, the better. Password managers are your friend. They can generate and securely store tough passwords so you don't have to remember them all. This makes it much easier to use different passwords for every account. Second, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is absolutely essential for keeping your account safe. 2FA adds a crucial second layer of security. Even if someone gets your password, they'll need a code from your Authenticator app or an SMS to get in. Authenticator apps are generally more secure than SMS, but using either is far better than having no extra protection at all. Next, review your privacy settings. Consider making your account private, especially if you don't want strangers viewing your posts or stories. Setting your account to private helps block data scraping tools like Instaloader, which can collect your information without your consent. Always be cautious with suspicious links, even if they come from friends. Never enter your credentials on unfamiliar or unofficial pages. Phishing is a common threat. Make sure you always use the official Instagram app or website to log in. Avoid third-party apps that ask for your password. With strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and a healthy dose of skepticism, you can keep your digital life secure and enjoy Instagram with peace of mind.